Welcome. In this lesson, we'll evaluate a few arithmetic expressions in C# and print their results. This exercise is great for reinforcing operator precedence, integer division, and modulo operator. We'll step through each expression and see how C# evaluates it and confirm the output. Let's jump in. These four expressions let us practice core arithmetic rules in C#. Multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction, and modulo gives the remainder. Also, note that because we use integer literals, C# performs integer division. The fractional part is discarded. Here's the program. Each write line evaluates an expression and prints the integer results. Comments show the intermediate arithmetic. Because the literals are in integers, divisions like 15 over 6 yields 2, which is integer division. The program prints one result per line. Follow operator precedence, parentheses, then multiplication over division over modulo, then addition over subtraction. Integer division truncates towards 0. Evaluate each expression step by step, and then a write line prints the final integer result. Here's the final output you'll see when running the program. The table shows the intermediate math and the final integer results printed on a separate lines. Understanding operator precedence and integer arithmetic is essential in many real-world scenarios, from simple calculators to data processing pipelines, embedded systems, and business logic. Small expression errors can lead to big bugs, so practicing these basics are important. To wrap up, we've evaluated several expressions and saw how C# applies operator precedence and integer division rules. Remember to use parentheses for clarity and floating point literals if you need decimal results. Keep practicing different expressions. It's one of the quickest ways to build confidence with language fundamentals. Great work! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.